And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get unbanned from OME TV. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So OME TV imposes a ban on if you have done some explicit activities or you use some explicit languages. So to get unbanned from your OME TV, you can try to bypass it by changing your IP address. A VPN is the most effective option, but you can also try switching networks. You can resetting your router or even clearing your cookies. Using a different device may work too in most of the cases, and these methods will help you regain access and reduce the chances of getting banned again. So this is how you can get unbanned from your OME TV. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.